Hello everyone, Patrick. In today's video we're going to do the weekend forecast today. We've got some unsettled weather coming up at the end of the coming week, but I think we could get 2 or 3 days of quite decent weather actually away from far southern counties in the first part of the week. Anyway, before I go on with the video, I just want to talk about the advertising. There'll usually be a video ad overlaying my weather videos at GazWeatherVids.com. Please play those video ads. You'll be supporting GazWeatherVids.com by doing that. Also want to mention the charts I'm using for this video. We've got weathercentral.de and the weatheroutlook.com. Find both websites on my links page. So this is the situation today. I've got this notice of high pressure ridging down from the north. We've taken last night's heavy rain away from the south and the southeast. So really this high pressure is going to be dominating for the rest of the weekend. So it's a very nice day today. Many parts dry with good sunny spells. The last of the rain stay clear in the far southeast, and then basically it's a dry day. A few showers up in the north and for northern and central parts of Scotland, but really most places having a fine day with a good deal of autumnal sunshine. That's quite chilly. Temperatures just 13, 14 degrees for many of us, the upper 50s Fahrenheit. But it doesn't feel too bad because the winds are light and there is that nice sunshine. We will pay for the sunshine tonight though, with clear skies. Temperatures are going to plummet, and I think we're going to see a widespread frost actually for much of Scotland, possibly down into northern England, with temperatures as low as -1, maybe -2, and a ground frost coming right the way down into rural parts of southern England. In towns and cities, probably looking at temperatures in the south of around 4, 5, 6 degrees, but in rural areas we will get perilously close to freezing, even through rural parts of the Midlands, Wales, Lincolnshire. So certainly there could be some white grass in the south tonight, and there will be an air frost, the first air frost really of the season, up in the north. But as we go into Sunday, we're going to have this area of high pressure here over the country. This low pressure is down to the southwest. It should stay more or less away from the country through Sunday, but it could spread some rain into the very far southwestern tip of Cornwall and parts of Ireland through the course of tomorrow evening. But really Sunday is a dry day with good sunny spells. Maybe 1 or 2 mist and fog patches to begin with, but they'll clear away, and then we should have plenty of dry and sunny weather. A cold start, but temperatures eventually lifting up to around 14 or 15 degrees, 57 or 59 Fahrenheit. As we go through in towards Monday, that high pressure is starting to weaken, and this low pressure is trying to come up from the southwest, but it's a pretty slow process really. But I think it will spread cloud and outbreaks of rain into parts of southern Wales, southwest England, maybe some southern counties of the country as well, but the rest of the country having a lot of dry weather again on Monday with quite good sunny spells. Temperatures, well, maybe 14 or 15 degrees, but it will be a cold start again, particularly in the north and east. Not as cold in the south because there'll be more cloud around, but certainly quite a cold start up in the north. Now for Tuesday, that high pressure is re-establishing, but the low pressure just close enough to the south of the country maybe be producing some showery rain across southern counties and in the southwest. Really damp, dreary type conditions I think for southern areas, but really from the Midlands northwards a lot of dry weather again with plenty of sunshine, cold early and late with the chance of mist and fog. Temperatures are eventually getting up to around 14, 15 degrees, but it will be cold, as I say, by night, particularly in the north where frost is certainly possible. Now going into Wednesday, that high pressure is still in control, but it's starting to slip away to the east of the country. Still perhaps a few showers and drizzly bits and pieces left around southern and southwestern coast, but the bulk of the country having lots of dry weather on Wednesday with good sunny spells once we've got rid of any early mist or fog patches. Temperatures again around 14 or 15 degrees, but cold early and late with widespread ground frost, particularly up in the north. There could be some air frost again in parts of Scotland. Things changing quite dramatically on Thursday. It looks like we're going to bring a weather system in from the Atlantic, and then things getting much more uncertain as we go through to the end of the week, and I'll explain why in a moment. But for Thursday we're going to bring an area of rain across the country, some quite heavy rain actually feeding in off the Atlantic through the course of the day, eventually followed by showers in towards Ireland and western Scotland. It'll be turning colder behind that rain as well, so the showers over the Scottish mountains could start to turn wintry. But quite a wet day really for Thursday I think, and temperatures, well, maybe up a little bit actually, because we're bringing up a southerly wind ahead of this system, so maybe getting up to around 16 or 17 degrees in the southeast. That's 61 to 63 Fahrenheit, but as I say, it turns colder behind this system with temperatures dropping down into single figures across northern Scotland, just 8 or 9 degrees up there. And then as we go through in towards Friday, we take that system through. Now, this is where we get the uncertainty coming through. This morning's run of the GFS model actually wants to build this high pressure in behind this system, but other models and other runs of this actual GFS model want to take this system down across the country, form it into a cut-off low somewhere to the south of the country, and give us a very cold and wet spell from Friday into next weekend. Now, how this works out, it's very uncertain, so do keep checking back to see what's going to happen. At the moment, I'm going to go with this particular model run, which suggests that we take that area of rain across the country overnight Thursday into Friday, and then Friday we're in this showery run of west or northwesterly winds. Fitting in sunshine and showers. Will be cold, with some of the showers turning wintry up in the north, particularly over the hills, but not exclusively so. I expect one or two snowflakes to come down to quite low levels across central and northern parts of Scotland, and showers feeding down across England and Wales. Temperatures taking a tumble on Friday down to around just 12s and 13s in the south at best. Up in the north we're in single figures, just 7, 8 or 9 across much of Scotland. And then really an uncertain situation as we go into Saturday. This shows the high pressure building back in off the Atlantic, but other model runs want to form this low pressure that's over Scandinavia into a cut-off low somewhere across England and Wales, or to the south of England and Wales. So quite how this works out on Saturday, very uncertain, but there is the potential for quite a wet weekend. But this model run is actually showing quite a decent spell setting up for the weekend. Still cold, but a good deal of dry weather, with frost particularly early and late. Now, finally having a look at the charts and the weather outlook. This is the chart for today. Lots of dry and sunny weather across the country. A really super autumnal day, so get out and enjoy it. Same situation for Sunday as well. Lots of sunshine, perhaps not quite the glorious sunshine of today in the south, but even so, good sunny spells, and we probably keep it dry until evening, when some rain could threaten the far southwest of Cornwall. Uncertain for Monday, but we're probably bringing in some sort of showery rain across Wales, southwestern, central, southern England, but many northern and east parts of the country dry again with good sunny spells. Most nights this week will be cold, though it does have to be emphasised. Cold nights coming up over the next few nights. Still some showery rain down in the southwest on Tuesday, but again a good deal of dry and fine weather in the north and the east. Most places dry and fine on Wednesday as well. Cold early and late though, with mist and fog patches in places. And then we bring that system through on Thursday, taking an area of heavy rain across the country. Will be a little bit warmer in the southeast, so ahead of that rain, but it turns colder to the northwest once the rain has cleared. And then for Friday, we're into a run of sunshine and showers ready. It will be much colder, temperatures into single figures for large parts of Scotland, and just up to 12, 13 or 14 across central southern parts of England and Wales. But by Friday, we are getting very uncertain. That could actually be a lot wetter than this is showing for Friday and into the weekend, but it just depends whether that cut-off low comes down and forms across southern parts of the country. That's a very unusual pattern to get a cut-off low plunging down from Iceland into southern England. So really we have to wait and see on that, and the models will struggle with it, but I'll keep you updated. But in any case, in summary, we're looking at a good deal of fine weather for the first part of the week in the north and east, some showery rain at times in the south and west, and then all areas turning wet on Thursday before it turns much cooler from the northwest for Friday. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.